Ever thought about how your backyard could save you a fortune? Imagine stepping into a thriving garden of fresh fruits, vegetables, and herbs right at your doorstep. This isn't just a delightful sight, it's a smart financial move too. When you grow your own food, you're taking control of your grocery bill. Instead of paying premium prices for organic produce at the store, you can cultivate your own, cutting costs and reducing waste. Think of all those times you've thrown away wilted lettuce or overripe tomatoes. With your own garden, you harvest what you need, when you need it. But the benefits don't stop at your wallet. Homegrown food is often healthier. It's fresher, free from harmful pesticides, and packed with more nutrients than store-bought alternatives. Growing your own food isn't just a hobby, it's a lifestyle change that can save you money. So why not unlock the power of your backyard and start your frugal gardening journey today? Starting a garden doesn't have to break the bank. Here's how. Frugality is not about being cheap. It's about being resourceful, creative, and patient. And these qualities can make all the difference in gardening. Let's delve into some practical tips to make your garden thrive without splurging. First off, start with seeds. While it may be tempting to buy mature plants from your local nursery, seeds are significantly less expensive and can often provide a higher yield. Plus, there's something incredibly rewarding about watching your plants grow from tiny seeds to flourishing life forms. Now let's talk about soil. The secret to rich, fertile soil is compost, and the good news is you can make it at home for free. Kitchen scraps like vegetable peelings, coffee grounds, and eggshells, along with yard waste like leaves and grass clippings, can be composted. This not only reduces waste but also enriches your soil, providing your plants with the nutrients they need to thrive. Next, consider repurposing household items as gardening tools. An old spoon can become a trowel, a broken rake can be a trellis, and a plastic jug can transform into a watering can. Not only does this save money, but it also adds a unique personal touch to your garden. Remember, being frugal doesn't mean sacrificing quality. On the contrary, it often leads to a more organic and sustainable garden. By starting from seeds, you have control over the growing process. Homemade compost ensures your plants are getting natural and nutrient-rich soil, and repurposing household items reduces waste and promotes sustainability. Lastly, patience is a virtue in gardening. Plants need time to grow and bear fruit. Resist the urge to buy expensive, quick-fix solutions. Instead, enjoy the process. Gardening is not just about the end result, it's about the journey. With a bit of creativity and patience, you can grow a bountiful garden on a budget. Remember, the garden of your dreams doesn't necessarily require a fortune, just a little bit of love, dedication, and resourcefulness. Got limited space? No problem. Here's how to make the most of it. When it comes to gardening, size isn't everything. It's all about utilizing what you have. One clever way to do this is through vertical gardening. This method lets you grow upwards, using trellises, hanging baskets, and even wall-mounted planters. With vertical gardening, you can turn a small patch of ground into a lush green tower. Another strategy is intercropping. This involves planting different crops in close proximity, allowing them to complement each other and maximize the use of space. For example, you might plant fast-growing salad greens between rows of slower-growing tomatoes. By the time the tomatoes need more room, you've already harvested the greens. Last but not least, consider choosing high-yield plants. These are varieties that produce a lot of food relative to the space they take up. Think zucchini, beans, and cherry tomatoes. Even the smallest garden can yield a big harvest with the right approach. All your hard work has led to this moment, harvest time. The culmination of your diligence, the sweet reward for your patience. Now it's all about when and how to pick your produce to ensure they are at their peak of freshness and flavor. For leafy greens like spinach and lettuce, harvest early in the morning when they are most crisp. Root vegetables like carrots and beets taste best when they're young and tender, so don't wait too long. Once you've gathered your bounty, the next crucial step is storage. Most vegetables keep well in a cool, dark place. Some, like onions and garlic, benefit from curing, a process of drying that extends their shelf life. For fruits like apples and pears, refrigeration can help maintain freshness. Preserving your harvest is another excellent way to minimize waste and savor your homegrown goodies all year round. Freezing, canning, and pickling are all fantastic methods to consider. The fruits of your labor are not just in your harvest, but also in the money you save and the satisfaction you gain from growing your own food.